श्री कृष्ण गोविंद माधवाय श्री राधा रमण मधुसूदनाय श्री कृष्ण गोविंद माधवाय श्री राधा रमण मधुसूदनाय दासो प्रेम personality of God had said, it is said that there is an imperishable banyan tree that has its roots upward and its branches down, and whose leaves are the Vedic hymns. One who knows this tree is the knower of the Vedas. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. The branches of this tree extend downward and upward, nor is by the tree modes of material nature. The twigs are the objects of the senses. This tree also has roots going down, and these are bound to the productive actions of human society. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. The real form of this tree cannot be perceived in this world. No one can understand where it ends, where it begins, or where its foundation is. But with determination, one must cut down this strongly rooted tree with the weapon of detachment. Thereafter, one must seek that place from which, having gone, one never returns, and there surrender to that supreme personality of Godhead, from whom everything began and from whom everything has extended since time immemorial. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. Those who are free from false prestige, illusion and false association, who understand the eternal, who are done with material lust, who are freed from the dualities of happiness and distress, and who unbewildered know how to surrender unto the Supreme Person, attain to that eternal kingdom. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya, Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. That supreme word of mine is not illuminated by the sun or moon nor by fire or electricity. Those who reach it never return to this material world. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya, Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. The living and bright is in this conditioned world are my eternal fragmental parts, due to conditioned life. They are struggling very hard with the six senses, which include the mind. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya, Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. The living entity in the material world carries is a different conceptions of life, from one body to another, as the air carries aromas. Thus he takes one kind of body and again quits to take another. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya, Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. The living entity, thus taking another gross body, obtains a certain type of fear, eye, tongue, nose, and sense of touch, which are grouped about the mind. He thus enjoys a particular set of sense objects. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya, Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya, Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. मधुसूदनाय श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द माधवाय श्रीराधारमण मधुसूदनाय श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द माधवाय श्रीराधारमण मधुसूदनाय श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द माधवाय श्रीराधारमण मधुसूदनाय श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द